were here for the IMF and World Bank meetings. What's your takeaway as Zimbabwe?
Well, certainly the discussions around Zimbabwe has been very, very positive indeed. We reached an agreement on the staff monitoring program with the IMF, which will help us on the roadmap towards arrears clearance. We need the debt to be cleared so that we can access credit loans for our private sector. Really, we're looking for private sector support. But also we're able to make progress in terms of discussions with the US government, the various departments, and with think tanks such as Cato and others, and the Brookings Institution, who are focused on issues in Africa and Zimbabwe in particular. So I'm really encouraged by the conversation, and that also the feeling that these sanctions, while targeted, actually are not working. On the contrary, they end up hurting poor people. So it doesn't help anyone to have them on, but also we'll do our part to make sure that we all work together, international community, to have them removed. But also we'll walk the talk on our economic reform agenda, because that's the only way to really revive the Zimbabwe economy is to be consistent on the economic reform agenda.
Can you explain about the introduction of the new currency that we've been hearing that it's coming in the next 12 months?
We already have a currency, the RTGS dollar. So the issue about my comments on the new currency, really, I was referring to paper money, what is called the fiat money. So that's the fiat equivalent of the RTGS, because as you know, in our currency reform agenda, that issue is still outstanding. So really my comments are really pertaining to that. So when the question was asked by the journalist, and that's what I was responding to. But we already have a currency, and I've always said that because of the fiscal that kind of environment.